Hello everyone, hope you're fine, hope you're okay. I'm fine as well. I am here with a very interesting topic, very interesting video. Basically in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to make your makeup last in the hot humid weather that is going on in my country and most probably in other countries as well, because this is the month of monsoon. I really want to know how to do the makeup without getting so sweaty and without soaking yourself up in sweat. Watch this video, you will look fresh throughout the day, your makeup will stay on your skin and you will look pretty as always. So without any further ado, let's get into the video and watch the video from the start till the end. Do not miss anything because this video is extremely informative and it will help you in getting better at makeup and doing it like a professional.
Let's talk about the first step. So before that I had to let's talk about the first step. So before that I had to reverse back a little.
Okay, so the first step that I'm going to give to you guys is to use a silicone primer instead of a cream based primer. Silicone primer is hydrophobic in nature, meaning that it will not let the moisture droplets or the sweat droplets to get accumulated in your foundation. You can see it has a gel like consistency, as you can see, if you can see, yeah, and it's very easy to apply. The second tip is to always damp your blender with a makeup setting spray before applying the foundation. It will lock the foundation over your skin so that it does not get bothered and it will remain intact throughout the day. So this is a setting spray that I'm using these days. It's okay. I don't personally like it that much, but because this weather is so unpredictable and it's so hot and humid out here, I have to use a setting spray. So this is the same foundation that I use almost in every video. It's a very light foundation and it's very easy to apply. That's why I prefer this foundation over the others. I let my skin breathe in this weird season. That's why I don't apply a lot of makeup, and whatever makeup I'm applying, I try it to be very light coverage. So I try my makeup to be extremely light so that my skin can breathe. Otherwise, it's a sweat fest. So I decided to complete my makeup and then carry on with the video because this is going to be a bit distracting for you guys and for me as well. So we were on the third tip. So third tip basically is to use powdered products as much as you can. Cream products does not work in humid air because your face gets sweaty all the time. You have sebum and humidity all over your face, so it just doesn't work, especially in the season like this. Maybe when it's too hot or it's too cold, you can basically use the cream products, but try to avoid them as much as you can. For instance, this is the palette that I'm using for my eyebrow. It's a powdered contour that I have and I am using it in this season, even though I don't approve of it in the normal season. But I think at this very moment, this is a savior if you really have to do the makeup, if you really have to do your contouring. So I think this is going to work for you. You can find other products, something that is common in your country or something that you can find comfortable in your country. Here in Pakistan, we have a lot of makeup options, but this is the most affordable option. I have made a video over it. You can check it out. It's somewhere here, so it won't be difficult for you to find it. I have put a card of it here so that you can find the video and watch it. It's all about affordable makeup products. This is the blush. It's also a powdered blush. I don't like powdered blush that much because I think it's too much work and it just doesn't look good. It looks good on camera, but in real life it just doesn't settles very well. So I go for cream blushes more than the other types of blushes. But here, this one is a powdered blush, so it is good for this specific season. Fourth tip is to lightly dust your face with a compact powder and make a habit of it until this humid season lasts. So this is the compact that I usually use this one. It's very light in texture, as you can see. I'll swatch it up on my hand. So this is how it looks. So all you have to do is to take the lightest layer of compact and just apply it all over your face when your foundation and your concealer is done. Never forget this step in this season, in this rainy season. Otherwise your makeup will start creasing up and it won't look good. So yeah. The fifth tip is to always wash your face with an oil-free cleanser before applying your makeup. Cleanser works so wonder for your skin, especially for people who have oily skin or mixed type skin. I think an oil-free cleanser would be gentle on your face and will wipe off any excessive sebum before you start doing the makeup routine. Always cleanse your face. If you have a dry skin, I would not recommend an oil-free cleanser, because this way I think the remaining oil that you have on your face will be wiped off and you will get a very stiff dry skin that will get wrinkles pretty soon. So this tip is not for you. It is for the people who have mixed type skin or oily skin, or who have oil on some parts of the face but the rest of the face is dry. I think oil free cleanser is also good for you. There are many good oil free cleansers. I would not recommend Clean and Clear because it's just way too harsh on your skin, so I would never ever recommend you that. However, there are other options that you can find of oil free cleansers that you can use on daily basis without harming your skin. Guys, that's it for today. It's really difficult for me to do the makeup in this season. It's extremely hot and I just don't like to apply too much makeup these days. However, once the season is done, your girl will come up with a lot of makeup videos. Don't worry about that. But here I'm just trying to sustain. So basically my skin is very sensitive and season like this can trigger up acne. So I just try to remain so far away from makeup as much as I can. You can see the effect of humidity on my hair. You can see it. They're so poofed up. So all my curly haired girls know the struggle we have with curly hair in this very season, and try to avoid makeup as much as you can, unless or until it's extremely necessary. Just go for it. But other than that, just try to be as natural as you can, because you can apply makeup in winter, you can apply makeup in even autumn and spring and even in summer, but this specific season it's not a very makeup friendly weather, so therefore just try to avoid it a little bit. And even if you have to apply makeup, just try to go for the minimalistic look for this season, and you can just like switch back to the normal routine once this rainy season will go away. I hope you like the video. If you do so, hit the like button and then subscribe if you're new here, and then hit the bell icon so that you cannot miss my videos that are coming in the future. If you like these tips, do let me know in the comment section. And if you're following any tip or any trick in this season to like sustain your makeup, do let me know that as well. I want to know. So yeah, that is it for today. The video is very quick, very short. I'm trying to make it as short as possible so that you can enjoy. I'll meet you in my next video. Bye guys.